is a CRARRV. So Challenger Armoured Repair and Recovery Vehicle. So for anything that can't take, this is what we're getting. And you'll see the additional ERA armour on this one. This is designed to pull out the Challenger suit in full regalia. Nickname of Resurrection. Features available. What you'll see at the front there, primarily, and that makes the best show, is the dozer blade. Okay, that dozer blade is capable of crushing things. It's very good for building shell scrapes to get in, but more importantly, if you were to lift it a little warm up at that degree, it's actually very comfortable for sleeping on. Similar to the SVR, it's got an Atlas crane on the rear of that. That crane, however, is not as powerful as the SVR. That crane is there solely to lift the back decks or the pack out of a Challenger. About 6.5